Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back. Oh, my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers, welcome back to the Lovely Lab. So listen, I'm popping on just to share with you guys something I got in the mail. Also share this packaging that I created for some jewelry, because I don't think I shared it here, but I'm getting ready to send out some bracelets, and so I figured let me go ahead and show these to you before these hit the mail, before I have to package them up. And then also a project that I'm going to start on, but I got to get some other projects out the way, but some summertime projects now that school is out and I have a little bit of time to myself. But trust me when I tell you, you can rest assured that I won't have a whole lot of time, because now that I'm out, or should I say Josh is out, but we're out. I already get the calls for, hey, you busy today? Can you? I'm already getting those. So nevertheless, I'm going to fit in what I can. It'll obviously be more than what I can during the school year, but I will definitely do my best to try and get some projects up and on the channel. So stay tuned for that. And now, if you're new to the channel and you have not already subscribed and you enjoy junk journals, crafts, mixed media, DIYs, a few hauls here and there, nothing expensive and nothing. I don't do the blowout hauls. That's not this channel. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, because if you're here right now, then if I was recommended to you, I was recommended to you for a reason. I didn't just hop or happen upon your lap, your YouTube lap, for no reason. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't miss anything here on the channel. And you don't want to miss anything, because you want to be a part of this crafty community, you know? Now, for those of you who are returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this school year. My goodness, in the middle of a pandemic, how did we find the time to homeschool, work from home, and craft? I don't know, but we did it. We did it, guys and gals, because I do have a couple of guys on my channel. Hi, Brian. So now, moving right along, you guys hear Josh in the background, and now that it's summertime, you know you'll hear it more often, unless, of course, I edit it out, which I typically do during the process videos. But for those of you who are not familiar with the background noise of my channel, that's what you'll be hearing from time to time. I'll try and keep them down to a minimum. Now, moving right along, I want to share with you guys what I received in the mail from our good friend Felicia over at We're Baking and Crafting Meats here on YouTube. She also has a Facebook group by the same name, and her website is called Neat Sweets. There we go. Sweets is in SUITES. Yeah. The Sweets by Felicia. So now let me share with you what hello. Look what we got. Now, apparently I somehow missed this free digi that our good friend Sonia from Sonia Stover's channel, and I'll drop a link below to both of those ladies' YouTube channels. Sonia created a digital, and Felicia downloaded it, printed it, and fussy cut the bejesus out of this, okay, because she wouldn't have no hips by the time I got finished trying to fussy cut her, okay, but nevertheless, so she did this on camera on her channel, and I was amazed. I love the shading. You know, this isn't really something that I'm versed in, so I appreciate it. I love the glitter, and look at sister with the curves, okay. When I grow up, I'm going to have a small waist and hips like that. But for now, I do appreciate my up and down shape. You know, my teenage-esque shape as it stands now. I have a little bit more hips than I had before I had kids. Nevertheless, I ain't here for all of that. So thanks, Felicia, for my sister girl. I think I'm going to put her on a journal and call that Sister Girls, okay? And it'll be everything related to girlfriends and friends and sisters and siblings and female siblings, of course. And then she sent me these sweet little prayer cards. This one says love. This one looks like an ATC card. She watercolored this. Look at that baby girl. Look at her holding that cupcake. Hi, sweetness. Hello. These love. She stamped these out. And then there's a little place back here for your prayer, you know, for you to put your prayer. Praise, trust, and pray. Isn't that sweet? So that is what I received from Felicia. Felicia, thank you so much for thinking of me and for dropping these in the mail. I appreciate it. And I appreciate all of my crafty friends here, whether you're dropping something in the mail, pen pals, or racks, or whether you're commenting on the videos, because the feedback keeps me going, guys and girls, of course. Now moving on to the packaging, and again, links to Sonia and Felicia's channels will be below. This is the boxes that I created. Let me move this out the way because it looks like I'm having a hard time. There we go. So what this is just a standard jewelry box from Hobby Lobby, and then I didn't cover it with gesso or anything like that. All this is a metallic watercolor paint, the inexpensive set that I bought from Burlington Coat Factory. But before I did that, I stamped it with the logo stamp that I received from rubberstamp.com. I done told you about the stamp set now. Rubberstamps.com. Okay, very inexpensive, great quality. And then I used the Color Crush pigment ink so that it wouldn't be moving around, shifting and shaking and what have you. And then I used this metallic watercolor palette that I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory. So, and then the last thing I used was a spray, and I believe it was the Tim Holtz Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide Spray. And that's really all that I did to make these boxes little works of art. And so that's what they'll be going out in this next batch. And I'll probably put together another batch, maybe use a few different colors, more spring-like colors. Not that these aren't spring colors because they're pastels, but I think I'm going to use maybe some pinks or peaches or something like that. What do you guys think of these boxes? Yes or no? Hit or miss? Drop in the comments below. Give me some feedback. Let me know whether or not I did the thing here. And does this look like something you would be happy to receive in the mail and then open it up? And there lies a beautiful keepsake bracelet, because that's what goes in it, you know. The keepsake bracelet. Hello, people. So now the last thing I'm going to share with you guys is I was in Dollar Tree picking up some I was running in there to get something for I don't even remember what it was. It was something something for my dad. But while I was in there, I came across this here package of the mask containers. And I said to myself, well, these look an awful lot like the containers that you get at, in the craft supply stores that, you get. They're usually a little bit smaller. So let me show you. These are the ones that usually come in the sets, right? So that's the size. They're a little bit wider, quite a bit wider. But for things like gems, this is perfect, because especially if you don't pack it full, you can shake it and actually see more of what you have and be able to get it out quicker, as opposed to a deep, narrower container. So this is the type of latch that it has, and I had to tell the boy to keep it down for a second. So thanks for your patience, everyone. But this is it's rather thin, but it's perfect for not the flat back gemstones that's on the sheets with adhesive on the back. I'm talking about the kind that you're gonna have to glue on. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So like for instance, let's just say that these were gemstones, which they're not. They're but in here I'm not seeing all the colors. This way I am. So if you have a lot of them and they're, maybe they're all the same size, or they're different color, even if they're different colors and different sizes, you'd still be able to see all of them and get to them a lot easier. So I picked up a couple of those just to see how I could work with them, and that was the idea I came up with. So I'm probably going to go back and get a couple more. They're $1 each. And then I ran across this. Oh gosh, did I just take that off? This is great for summertime. Now that we're in summer, these stickers, these DIY fruit stickers. For the fruit stickers, those are cute. I don't know how I slid that out of there. I had to grab a couple more of these while I could find them. These pins write beautifully. If you run into them, grab as many as you can. I mean, don't overdo it, because you know you got to leave some for somebody else, but these write amazing. Then I also picked up this utility knife set, and I can't remember why I picked this up. Oh, I wanted to try and create my own stencil, so that I need to figure that out, because I don't want to have to run it through my Silhouette machine or my Cameo. Although that probably would be easier, but we gotta try it the hard way first. So we got that. And then last but not least, I got this painter's tape. For what, you ask? Oh, do tell. I picked up this painter's tape because I found these. Now, I don't know if you guys heard me say it before, but when I went to Burlington Coat Factory, I was going there for a comforter set for my bedroom, because I'm redoing it now that school's over. I can get full into it, and so I'm going to redo some of the wall art. I don't particularly care for this aesthetic, but for all intents and purposes, what I plan to do is that's what I got this here for. I got these, and let me flip this over because the glare is probably too much for you guys. I plan on using the painter's tape. Anyways, guys, so that is what I popped on to share with you guys. What projects are y'all working on? Am I the only one that's getting into spring fever of redoing in the homes? And despite the noise and the background and the never-ending amount of lunches and snacks that need to be created in the midst of your creations, y'all just pray for my strength, because we do want the boy to go all the way into 5th grade. Now that he's out of 4th, we want him to make it to 5th grade. And if I got to listen to this noise all summer, there's a good chance that 4th grade might be his last year. Anyways, now, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate all of your feedback, your comments, all of your words of encouragement. And listen, aren't we heading out of this pandemic? Are we excited about that, y'all? Are y'all happy to finally, listen, we're going to a get together this weekend out at the park, and so that is going to be our first time actually being in it's not even a large group, it's a small group. It's a really small group, but it's outside, and we're excited about being able to get together with our family. They're friends, but we've known them as long as Josh has been in diapers, so they're family. Okay, so what are y'all plans this weekend, folks? What do you plan on doing with this rest of the month of May? Has anything here inspired you? If so, drop it in the comments below. And I look forward to hearing back from all of you guys. And until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. And find me some earplugs, please. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.